In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Amex Platinum card points. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Redeeming any points that you have after you've earned them by using your Amex Platinum card is a process that can be done through their website. So all that you have to do is visit www.americanexpress.com through a web browser on your computer or your phone. And when you arrive at the homepage for the website, you will be able to find the rewards and benefits attributed to your points at the top. So click Rewards and Benefits, and in here select the Membership Rewards program. You will be redirected to this page where you can manage your account and browse through all of the benefits of redeeming your points, and you can also see how to redeem them according to what you want. As you can see, you have plenty of categories to choose from, and everything is going to be available on your dashboard. So at the top, click on View Dashboard, and this will redirect you to another page where you can sign into the account where you have the Amex Platinum card points that you wish to redeem. Once you are properly signed into the account and inside of the dashboard, use the Earn and Redeem option on the menu at the top of the dashboard to choose between all of the categories available. As you can see at the right side, you will be able to redeem the points into various different categories. You can cover your card charges, go shopping, pay with points at checkout, redeem gift cards, redeem travel, and even transfer the points to other partners. As long as you choose any of these options and follow the instructions on screen, you will be able to proceed to checkout and use the points according to what you selected. So in this example, I went ahead and I added a digital gift card to my cart. Proceed to checkout and you can see how many remaining points you have after this purchase. As long as you proceed to checkout and you choose to transfer points, redeem them, or whatever category is available when you go over to the Redeem tab, you will be able to use your Amex Platinum card points. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Amex Platinum card points. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.